Hello friend, welcome my channel. Welcome my channel. I am Robin Mukherjee, civil engineering pass out 1986. Civil engineering pass out 1986. Work experience above 30 years. Work experience above 30 years. Now I am discuss civil engineering execution project and plan related item wise discussion. Today I discuss thickness of wall for different size of bricks. Thickness of wall for different size of bricks. This video is informative video. All are requested your many share for increase the viewers. Your many share for video for increasing the viewers. This video is informative video, all related civil engineering execution project related job work done. Now discuss thickness of wall for different size of bricks. Bricks wall up to and including 3 bricks in thickness shall be measured in multipliers of half brick, which shall be considered to be inclusive of the mortar joint as 10 cm, irrespective of the actual thickness as shown in the table below. For wall length which is more than 3 bricks in thickness, the actual thickness of wall shall be measured to the nearest 1 cm. Fraction including 0.5 cm and above shall be taken as 1 cm, and fractions below 0.5 cm shall be neglected. Thickness of wall for different size of bricks. Bricks wall up to and including 3 bricks in thickness shall be measured in multipliers of half brick, which shall be considered to be inclusive of the mortar joint as 10 cm, irrespective of the actual thickness as shown in the table below. For walling which is more than 3 bricks in thickness, the actual thickness of wall shall be measured to the nearest 1 cm. Fractions including 0.5 cm and above shall be taken as 1 cm, and fractions below 0.5 cm shall be neglected. Wall thickness, type of brick, wall thickness. A modular brick 20 cm into 10 cm into 10 cm. Modular brick 20 cm into 10 cm into 10 cm. Half brick 10 cm. Half brick 10 cm. One brick 20 cm. One brick 20 cm. One and half brick 30 cm. One and half brick 30 cm. Two brick 40 cm. Two brick 40 cm. Two and half brick 50 cm. Two and half brick 50 cm. Three brick 60 cm. Three brick 60 cm. B traditional brick. B traditional brick 10 inch into 5 inch into 3 inch. 10 inch into 5 inch into 3 inch. Or 25 cm into 12.5 cm into 7.5 cm. 25 cm into 12.5 cm into 7.5 cm. Half brick 5 inch 12.5 cm. Half brick 5 inch 12.5 cm. One brick 10 inch 25 cm. One brick 10 inch 25 cm. One and half brick 15 inch 37.5 cm. 15 inch 37.5 cm. Two brick 20 inch 50 cm. 50 cm. Two and half brick 25 inch. Two and half brick 25 inch 62.5 cm. 62.5 cm. Three brick 30 inch. Three brick 30 inch 75 cm. 75 cm. C traditional brick 9 inch into 4.5 inch into 3 inch. 9 inch into 4.5 inch into 3 inch. 23 cm into 11 cm into 7.5 cm. 23 centimeter into 11 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter. Half brick 4.5 inch 11 centimeter, 4.5 inch 11 centimeter. One brick 9 inch 23 centimeter. One brick 9 inch 23 centimeter. One and half brick 13.5 inch 34 centimeter. 13.5 inch 34 centimeter. Two bricks 18 inch 45 centimeter. 18 inch 45 centimeter. Two and half brick 22 half inch 22.5 inch 56 centimeter. 56 centimeter. Three brick 27 inch 67 centimeter. 67 centimeter. The mode of measurement for wall thickness adopted by the PWD department for traditional brick 10 inch into 5 inch into 3 inch nominal. The mode of measurement for wall thickness adopted by the PWD department for traditional brick 10 inch 5 inch into 3 inch nominal size. The thickness of brick wall made with a one brick laid on edge with the long side parallel to the length of the wall, that means for 3 inch wall shall be measured at 7.5 centimeter. A one brick laid on edge with the long side parallel to the length of the wall, that means for 3 inch wall shall be measured at 7.5 centimeter. B one brick laid flat with long side parallel to the length of the wall, that means for 5 inch wall shall be measured at 12.5 centimeter. One brick laid flat with the long side parallel to the length of the wall, that means for 5 inch wall shall be measured at 12.5 centimeter. C one brick thick wall with the length of brick parallel to the thickness of the wall, that means for 10 inch wall shall be measured at 25 centimeter. One brick thick wall with the length of brick parallel to the thickness of the wall, that means for 10 inch wall shall be measured at 25 centimeter. D one and half brick wall, one brick along the length and one brick along with width, that means 15 inch wall shall be measured at 37.5 centimeter. One and half brick wall, one brick along the length and one brick along the width, that means 15 inch wall shall be measured at 37.5 centimeter. E two bricks wall shall be measured at 50 centimeter. Two bricks wall shall be measured as 50 centimeter. For further half brick thickness at 12.5 centimeter. Two bricks wall shall be measured as 50 centimeter. For further half brick thickness at 12.5 centimeter. Unit of dimension for materials for what? Unit of dimension for materials and work. Name of the materials and work, dimension in metric sheet. Name of materials and work, dimension in metric sheet. Number 1, brick, stones, blocks, etc. Brick, stones, blocks, etc. All dimension in centimeter. All dimension in centimeter. Number 2, aggregate, ballast, grit, sand, etc. Size in millimeter. Size in millimeter. Aggregate, ballast, grit, sand, etc. Size in millimeter. Number 3, AC sheet, tiles, slate, wall board, glass panel, etc. AC sheet, tiles, slate, wall board, glass panels, etc. Length and breadth in centimeter or meter, thickness in millimeter. Length and breadth in centimeter or meter, thickness in millimeter. Number 4, timber. Number 4, timber. Length in meter and cross-sectional dimension in centimeter or millimeter. Length in meter and cross-sectional dimension in centimeter or millimeter. Number 5, mild steel bar. Mild steel bar. Length in meter and dia in millimeter. Length in meter and dia in millimeter. Number 6, rolled steel section. Rolled steel section, length in meter and section in millimeter. Length in meter and section in millimeter. Number 7, masonry, brickwork, stone masonry, etc. Masonry, brickwork, stone masonry, etc. Length and height in meter. Length and height in meter. Thickness or breadth in centimeter. Masonry, brickwork, stone masonry, etc. Length and height in meter. Thickness or breadth in centimeter. Thickness or breadth in centimeter. Number 8, concrete work, cement or lime concrete, RCC work, concrete flooring, etc. Cement concrete work, cement or lime concrete, RCC work, concrete flooring, etc. Length and breadth in meter, thickness in centimeter. Length and breadth in meter, thickness in centimeter. Number 9, door, windows, etc. Door, windows, etc. Height and breadth in meter or centimeter. Height and breadth in meter or centimeter. Number 10, whitewashing, color washing, distempering, painting, etc. Whitewashing, color washing, distempering, painting, etc. Length and breadth or height in meter. Length and breadth or height in meter. Today I finished my video. Next day I discuss principle of units of various items of work. Principle of units of various items of work. All are requested. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye.